A car battery charger restores battery power, prevents downtime, and ensures reliable vehicle starting. My today's video is about top 5 best car battery charger that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Aiyonfei car battery charger. This 12V 10A smart car battery charger is an all-in-one solution for maintaining and extending the life of your vehicle batteries. Compatible with LiFePO 4, AGM, GL, EFB, VRLA, and flooded lead-acid batteries, it eliminates the need to buy multiple chargers for different battery types, making it perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment. Featuring 10A fast charging and a 9-stage smart program, it charges batteries up to 65 faster than standard 6A chargers while optimizing battery health. The charger intelligently adjusts voltage for winter and summer modes, ensuring safe and efficient charging in any climate. A bright LED display provides real-time voltage, current, and charging status for easy monitoring. Advanced maintenance features include pulse repair and desulfation modes, which can rejuvenate weak batteries and extend their lifespan. With trickle charging options, reverse polarity, spark, overcharge, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, this charger offers worry-free maintenance for seasonal or idle vehicles. Backed by 24-hour customer support, it's a reliable, versatile tool for keeping your batteries in top condition. Now our second product is eFast car battery charger. This 25A rapid car battery charger is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty performance and versatility. It delivers 25A for 12V batteries and 15A for 24V batteries, charging significantly faster than standard maintainers. Ideal for larger vehicles like trucks, SUVs, boats, and RVs, it supports a wide range of battery types, including lead-acid, AGM, GL, SLA, flooded, EFB, and LiFePO 4 lithium. An intelligent chip automatically detects 12V or 24V connections, simplifying setup. The charger features 5 adjustable current levels, 2A, 8A, 20A, 25A, and auto, to match your battery size and condition. Small batteries like motorcycles or lawn mowers can safely use low currents, while large batteries benefit from rapid high-amp charging. The dedicated booster mode allows emergency jump starts for 12V batteries, providing a surge to revive dead batteries instantly. Advanced 8-stage charging with pulse repair rejuvenates old or sulfated batteries, while all-weather winter/summer modes optimize charging in extreme temperatures. Its durable aluminum housing, active cooling, and built-in safety protections against reverse polarity, sparks, short circuits, and overcharging make it a reliable, professional-grade charger. Our third product is Haisito car battery charger. The Haisito 20A rapid battery charger is a high-performance solution designed for fast, safe, and intelligent battery charging. Delivering 20A for 12V batteries and 10A for 24V, it charges batteries up to 200 faster than standard 8A and 10A chargers, making it perfect for large SUVs, pickups, and farm tractors, especially in cold winter conditions. This charger is equipped with dedicated lithium and LiFePO 4 algorithms, ensuring safe charging for lithium, AGM, GL, SLA, and lead-acid batteries without risking damage to the battery's BMS. The smart chip precisely regulates voltage to protect expensive lithium batteries, offering peace of mind for long-term use. The large LCD screen provides visual intelligence, displaying real-time charging current, voltage, temperature, and battery percentage, so you always know the battery's status. Automatic 12V/24V detection simplifies setup, while the pulse repair mode helps restore old, idle, or stratified batteries. For low-voltage 24V batteries, the forced charging mode ensures even challenging cases are handled safely. Overall, Haisito combines speed, safety, and advanced intelligence for reliable, hassle-free battery maintenance. Now number 4, eFast car battery charger. The 20A high-power battery charger is a fast, reliable, and versatile solution for 12V and 24V batteries. Delivering 20A for 12V batteries and 10A for 24V, it can fully charge a 100Ah battery in just 5 to 6 hours, twice as fast as standard 10A chargers, making it ideal for large-capacity batteries in trucks, RVs, boats, and agricultural vehicles. Engineered for both LiFePO 4 lithium and all types of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, SLA, wet, and deep cycle, it ensures safe and efficient charging across a variety of applications. The 7-stage smart charging process automatically diagnoses, charges, and maintains your battery, while the auto memory feature resumes your previous mode after power interruptions. The advanced pulse repair and desulfation mode helps restore old or idle lead-acid batteries, breaking down sulfation crystals to recover capacity and extend battery life. Built-in smart protections against reverse polarity, short circuits, overcharging, and overheating, combined with an active cooling fan, ensure safe and efficient operation. This charger delivers speed, safety, and longevity for all your battery needs. And our last choice is Pchh car battery charger. The BC108 heavy-duty battery charger is a robust and versatile solution for maintaining and reviving all types of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GL, wet/flooded, EFB, calcium, MF, and deep cycle batteries. Built with a copper coil, metal components, and a durable ABS casing, this 12.2 pounds charger is designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. Featuring fast charge and trickle charge modes, it automatically detects 12V or 24V batteries and optimizes charging with its intelligent program. The repair mode can revive dead batteries above 3V, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and lawn equipment. The charger includes auto shutoff to prevent overcharging and a maintenance mode that uses pulse currents to restore and extend battery life. Winter mode ensures a stronger engine start in cold climates, while the LCD display provides real-time charging percentage, current, and voltage with built-in protections against reverse polarity, short circuits, overcharge, overheat, overvoltage, and overcurrent. The BC108 ensures safe and efficient charging. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it's a reliable, all-weather tool for every vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.